Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankita, and in today's video I want to create a natural glowy makeup tutorial. I've been doing it all summer long. I want to show you my look. Guys, this look uses no foundation. I'm just spot concealing with some concealer, and I can do this look in literally 5 minutes. So if you want to learn how to achieve the look, then just keep watching. So to start, I'm not even priming my face. I put lotion on, and then I have a little bit of coconut oil in here. This did have rose oil, which I really liked, but I ran out. It was like a little sampler bottle, but I just filled it up with coconut oil. So I'm putting that on my face first because that is what creates the glow. So next I'm going in with my True Match L'Oreal concealer in the shade Deep Medium. So I'm running out. So I'm taking this Coutour brush and I'm just gonna dip it into my concealer and apply this under my eyes. Basically applying it to any areas I feel like needs a little bit of coverage. I get a lot of redness around my nose, so that's what I'm covering up now. Next, I'm just going in with my Maybelline concealer. It's Concealer Fit Me in the shade 30 Honey. So with this, it's gonna brighten up under my eyes. A little bit goes a long way in this concealer, so you really don't need to apply that much. Okay. Then I'm going to fill in my eyebrows. Today I'm using this Too Faced Brow Envy. This is what it looks like. So I'm using the darkest color, Brunette. You can use any dark shade in an eyeshadow palette or anything. Or any shade that matches your eyebrows. I'm not super precise when I do my brows, as long as I'm just filling them in, because I like my brows to look more natural. So, and a little bit bushy. So I don't get them done as often as I used to. I used to get them done all the time. Just pluck little hairs that grow in if I need to. I'm going in with this highlight side of my Estee Lauder Double Wear. And I'm going to highlight under my brow. Okay, next I'm using this blush and highlight stick by MAC. It is MAC Studio Ginger Spiked and Counterpoint are the two, the highlight and the blush. I'm going in with my highlight first. Just to brighten a little. And blending with my finger. And then I'm using my blush. And even with this, very, very lightly, just putting it on the apple of my cheeks. I'm blending with my fingers. You can blend in with Beauty Blender or a brush if that helps. This is my favorite part. So I'm using this Obsession Shimmering body powder. Looks like this. So I've been using this shimmering powder a lot this summer, and I love that it's more bronzy highlights. I like that it's a little bit toned down because it blends into my skin tone. So this just gives me a very glowy look that I really love. So I'm gonna lightly apply that. This looks very sun-kissed. When I'm in the sun, you can see just a light glow. And it matches my skin tone, so it looks natural. I'm going in with my cocoa butter. Next, I'm taking my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I'm gonna put mascara on. I really like this mascara because it gives a very natural lift. It doesn't get clumpy and it stays on all day. I also only need one coat for each eye. So whatever is left over, I'm just gonna put it on my eyebrows. Next, I have this brown eye pencil. This is Color Couture Cosmetics by Amelia. So just any brown eyeliner, and I'm just gonna put it under my eyes on my lower lash line. And nothing crazy, just a little bit to give it a more of a smoldering look. Lining it too heavy. I'm also not taking it into my inner corners. I'm just the outer half. If you want to put it on top, you can put it on top as well. Last but not least, I'm using this Elizabeth Arden lip pencil in Bronze 8. This is such a nice lip pencil color, especially if you're going for that natural look and if you're of my skin tone, because it's really hard to find. I find that it's really hard to find a lip pencil that matches my shade. And I take this and I start filling in my lips with it. So this is the completed look. This makeup is perfect for back to school, the end of summer, and fall festivities, especially if you're outdoors, because it is so glowy and using neutral tones. If you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye! Thanks for watching!